In this video, we will be walking through how to set up Discord in CrabShack. First thing is to start at your dashboard and click on Messaging in the left-hand menu. When this loads, you want to click on Discord to open the setup. We will be following the steps as outlined here. Start by opening up the Discord developer portal. Once you are logged in, you will click on New Application. Give your application a name and click Create. The application general page will open. Now move to the left-hand menu and click on OAuth 2. Here we will assign permissions. Here under Scopes, select Bot. Under General Permissions, select View Channels. Moving down to Text Permissions, you want to select Send Messages, Embed Links, Attach Files, Read Message History, and Add Reactions. Once done, scroll to the bottom of the page to the generated URL. Copy this, and then open a new tab in your browser and paste it. This will open up Discord either in browser or on your desktop. From this, choose which server you want your CrabShack agent to use, and then click Authorize. Now go to the left-hand menu in the Discord Dev portal. Click on Bot. Now scroll down to Privileged Gateway Intents and turn this on. A bar will appear at the bottom, and click on Save Changes. Now scroll to the top of the bot page and click Reset Token, and click Confirm. Copy the token to memory, and now you paste that back into the CrabShack GUI. Once entered, click on Continue. Next, give CrabShack your Discord name so it knows who to respond to, and then click the plus sign. With the option selected, now click Continue down the bottom. This will take you to the review screen. If all looks good, click Enable Discord. Congratulations! Your CrabShack is now configured to talk to you in Discord.